everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A couple of weeks ago I made a video about the pastry cream and I received many messages asking me to make a chocolate version of that cream. So today we're gonna make a chocolate cream. The recipe is a bit different from the pastry cream, the procedure is similar, but it has some little differences. Let's begin.
As a first step, pour half of your sugar inside your pot with the cream and the milk and mix it. Pour the other half of the sugar onto your yolks and mix straight away. Never leave the sugar in your yolks without mixing. Then, put your cream with your sugar on the stove, turn on the heat and wait until it boils. While the milk is warming up, mix your two different chocolates together. Once your milk and cream boils, pour a small amount of milk inside your yolks and mix straight away. Once it's well mixed, pour the yolks and the milk inside the pot again and give it an energetic whisk. We have basically made a crème anglaise. As a final step, pour your milk and egg mix inside a bowl with the chocolate. Grab a hand mixer and start mixing carefully until all the chocolate melts. The cream is basically ready. Now grab a wrap and put it on top of your bowl to cover your cream. Make sure the wrap touches the cream.
Okay guys, now that you have mixed your cream, it has to go inside the fridge for about 12 hours, and that's because it doesn't contain any gelatin or starch. The cocoa and the fibers contained into the chocolate, in fact, will turn our liquid mix into a final cream. I've already put mine inside the fridge, so guys, I'll see you in 12 hours and we'll have a look at it and analyze it. Guys, it's been 12 hours, actually it's a bit more than 12. Our cream is finally ready. So I'd say let's taste it and see what it feels like. So the first thing I can say is that its structure is really nice. It has a strong smell of chocolate, dark chocolate. You can feel the cocoa. It's silky, smooth, really soft as well. It's not too sweet, of course, because we use a really strong chocolate. If you want it to be a bit sweeter, you can add some more sugar. Let me show you the cream. As you can see, it's really smooth, shiny. Remember, a cream must always be shiny. If it's not shiny, there's something wrong with the recipe or the process. You guys have to remember that the structure of this cream depends on the cocoa. So if you want to use, a chocolate with less cocoa, you probably need to use more chocolate in terms of amount, because you have to compensate that difference. Vice versa, if you're gonna use a chocolate with more cocoa, you'll probably end up having a tougher cream. Cream as it is, as we made it today in this video, is perfect for filling cakes or eclairs. If you need to decorate a dessert, for example, I'd use a bit more chocolate, or I'd use a chocolate with a higher percentage of cocoa. You can also decide to put some cocoa inside the cream, so use a less chocolate or a chocolate with less cocoa and add some cocoa powder to the cream. Remember, if you add some cocoa powder, it has to reach 90 degrees more or less, otherwise it will not be activated. And always remember that the cocoa will make your cream really tough, so be careful with it. So guys, you can use this fantastic cream for many different things. If you're a real chocolate lover, you will probably eat it as it is, like this. But if you want to make a cake, you want to make a dessert, you want to fill up your eclairs, this is a perfect cream for this purpose. Guys, I really want to thank you for watching this video, and as usual, share with your friends, leave a comment below and a like, let me know what you think about this fantastic recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you will never lose any of my videos, and follow me on Instagram at Mancio. See you on the next video.